Hello. Today we would like to demonstrate how you can download the song or, well, any piece of music from Telegram. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the app. Here you want to choose what song you would like to download and get to your internal storage. For example, I'll go with this one. Tap on the three dots, choose Save to Music option. As you can see, the file has been successfully saved to music. Let me just confirm it by opening the files app. And as you can see, in the recent section, it states that the song that I have just downloaded has been successfully added to the internal memory or internal storage of my smartphone, just like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.